Well, we have seen sporting events resume across the country, so you may be wondering, what would it take for the governor to ease restrictions here in New Mexico? Well, we asked the governor that question. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart is here with some answers.
Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham admits the answer gets complicated, but one of the key factors she pointed to safely play contact sports again would be rapid COVID testing.
I can tell you that we don't have the bandwidth to provide point-of-care rapid testing to every single youth sports or high school team in the state. No state does. We're no different.
The ability to rapidly test players for COVID-19 could be a game changer for contact sports in the pandemic. But as Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham explained during yesterday's news conference, resuming play isn't so simple.
My goal is to get there. It is painful that we have our young people who are talented and anxious and exhausted by the restrictions.
In an effort to expand testing, the federal government recently announced it would deploy 150 million rapid point-of-care antigen tests across the country, focusing on vulnerable populations. New Mexico nursing homes recently received the tests, and they're rolling out guidelines for testing. But there is a downfall. Health officials say rapid antigen tests aren't as reliable as the gold standard PCR nasal swab tests for COVID-19.
Less adequate laboratory tests can actually increase spread.
Though some professional teams and universities are doing rapid testing, the governor also pointed to the need for rigorous isolation for athletes or bubble life to limit COVID spread.
You got to be in a pod, you can't go anywhere, you can't do anything, and they can really hold you accountable because you're living at that university or you're a part of a professional team. That's a much harder environment. It is our job as New Mexicans to be smart and to use the science to make the next set of decisions.
Now, the Department of Aging and Long-Term Services tells us they'll use the rapid point-of-care tests as an additional tool in nursing homes, but not as a replacement for the current process. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabby. Now, the Department of Health says so far 30 COVID-related deaths in New Mexico have been of people between the ages of 18 to 30. Something else the governor says she is taking into consideration when it comes to youth sports.